Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today, we have an unboxing video for the Holybro H-RTK F9. The Holybro H-RTK F9P is the latest addition to Holybro's differential high-precision GNSS positioning system series. This system offers a multi-frequency RTK with fast convergence times and reliable performance. The dimensions of the Holybro H-RTK F9P are 35.8 mm x 15.3 mm x 53.7 mm, and it weighs 49 g. Its working voltage is 4.75 V to 5.25 V, with a current consumption of approximately 250 mA. The Holybro H-RTK F9P is designed to provide multi-frequency RTK, allowing it to simultaneously receive signals from GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou, making it suitable for dynamic and high-capacity applications with centimeter-level accuracy. It features the Ublox F9P module, an IST8310 compass, and a tricolor LED indicator, along with an integrated safety switch for ease of use. Inside the box, you will find the following cables: 1 GH10P cable, 1 GH10P cable, 1 GH6P cable, 1 USB Type-C cable. Also included are H-RTK F9P high-precision GNSS antenna, 3M double-sided tape and a carbon fiber mount. H-RTK F9P screw kit. That's all the contents of the box. Thank you for watching. For more information, please stay tuned to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.